Hi, here are a few innovative life hacks with a pleasantly surprising daily use information. Please watch the video till the end to understand and apply these life hacks into your daily lives. Let's begin. Unlocking the secret to perfectly ripened avocados. Discover how placing avocados in a paper bag with a banana speeds up the ripening process due to the release of ethylene gas. Revolutionary laundry hack for wrinkle-free clothes. Learn how adding a few ice cubes to your dryer helps create steam, reducing wrinkles and leaving your clothes looking fresh and smooth. Discover the hidden power of vinegar in household cleaning. Find out how the acidity of vinegar helps break down dirt and grime, making it an effective and natural cleaning agent for various surfaces. The surprising trick to extend the lifespan of fresh-cut flowers. Explore the world of flower preservation by adding a penny and a pinch of sugar to the water, providing nutrients and inhibiting bacterial growth. Unleashing the magic of baking soda in beauty routines. Learn how the gentle exfoliating properties of baking soda can be used to create DIY facial scrubs, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Unveiling the ultimate closet organizing hack. Discover the power of using shower curtain rings on a hanger to easily organize scarves, belts, or even tank tops, maximizing your closet space. The secret to achieving flawless pancakes. Discover the science behind adding a touch of seltzer water to pancake batter, resulting in light and fluffy pancakes that will impress your breakfast guests. Thanks for watching.